Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the keyboard on your Android device. So just swipe on down from the top right and go to Settings. Wait for this load, and we can scroll on down to General Management. Or we can try going to System or something like that. So here's General Management. Then we have our keyboard. We can tap this and we can go to the default keyboard. And it should give us a couple of different options under here now. I have the Samsung keyboard, Gboard, and then the other one in Philippines. So I have those. You can switch over there or go to the Google Play Store right here. Go to search and type in keyboard. And you can buy or download some keyboards under here. You can just look at the ratings to see what they are like. So 4.6. We could try this one and just look at the reviews and stuff for it. See if it's any good to download. So I just went ahead and just downloaded the Gboard. This one works. Otherwise I could try the Microsoft SwiftKey. I don't know if I'd want that, but once you install this, you should be able to switch the keyboard over to the one you download. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.